Alright, alright, alright. Okay.
Hola YouTube, this is Mersky and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is my very first vlog, so here it is. Enjoy! Welcome back to my channel. So this is my room and this is my brother. That's my makeup. This is my brother. He's going to Cebu on... He's going to Cebu on Wednesday. And I know Thursday. No, Thursday dawn. Thursday 2 a.m. in the morning. 2 a.m. in the morning, redundant. 2 in the morning. And he will be taking the board exam for architectures. What can you say about that? What's it is all about?
I don't like.
He will be taking the board exam for architecture on June. So he will be staying in Cebu for 5 months, Dodong?
But
6 months or so, or 5 months or so, and hopefully he will top the exam. I will put pressure on you, Dodong. No, you speak in English or Tagalog so my audience can understand. So this is what we do if it's raining. We cuddle up. Cuddle up.
Nagkado lang yun. Sana na ka.
Ay, we bundle up.
Bandol! Diyan na, kwarta!
We stay in the room. We stay in the room and have some fun. But mostly, this is not going to be fun because mapalaki siyang tao. Palagi niya akong sinasaktan. Alala.
Bala, ulan.
Kita ka, Tudong?
Wala.
Naini bira sa portahan.
Wala.
Oh my God! The door just the door just scared me.
Wala. Mabigay na ako. Adjective.
It like that.
Filipino English. Like that.
It like that. And then, my brother is the craziest among the rest. And he's the biggest.
Wow.
The
Tigil.
the biggest. Mayang inana ma. Abri na portahan.
Pangin mo good na. Buang.
Anyways,
Ano?
I see dead people with white blankets and circular. Oh, I like the room. It's so complementing the colors. See, the green, the yellow, the white, and the brown.
Wow! Asa na yun yung nawag, be? The white? Ah, galing oh! Ah, diba?
That's a
Ah, white na white.
chika.
Nawala siya, oh! Ang galing.
So I'm going to upload this even if it's going to be makaulaw. What's makaulaw, Dodong? Makahiya?
Makahiya.
Even if it's shameful.
Shameful. Shiny.
Shame.
Shiny.
Shaminess.
Shame man.
Shaming.
Mabaw.
Shimnessence.
Ay.
Kapoy. Okay. So, here's what we're going to do. I am going to let my brother sleep na brown out na. I have no work on that. Hoy! Mang!
Murag abat na.
Mang!
Pilain na ng world din ang pag-apre mo. Matay ko ka.
Mang! Mang! Imong gipalong? Ha? Na, wala ko ikuan na ni. Trabaho. Okay, so let's go back in my room. I will just be opening my door because it will change to another world. Okay, so because it's brown out, I will let my brother sleep like a baby. Okay, Edward?
Okay.
Okay, Edward. Edward. I will let you sleep. You hold the video.
Because you
Come
are
on.
asleep.
No, I will like that. You don't cry. He's crying. Oh. Okay. We will talk about scary things. Oh my God.
Don't what? Don't tell me Argentina.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot? Okay. Don't
Just don't.
hold my hands.
Ang mapati ka na.
Hold my hand. Sabi na ko no, do not undo your face.
Ano?
I cannot see you. Stay like that. Stay put. I'm going to kill you. Let's talk.
Akala ko ba ako palakin?
Okay, let's talk. Let's talk about crushes. Shout out sa crush ni Edward. Ganda na yung uyab. Tung 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 tung.
Disclaimer. Huwag na.
Kabalo na lang kinsa ka. Anyway, sige na Ward. Istorya na kabahin o. Wala, siya na kayo kung kilay, no?
Huwag ko tignawong.
Na, okay na. Nakoy murag sulang-sulang.
Pero wala kay liog.
Because the t-shirt is like this.
Nasa liog. Point na, the liog.
And the neck is here. See that?
Asa?
That one. Okay. Dali na, Ward. Actually, our plan for today is we will be filming. We will film together. Mag-film kami ng music video.
Magpiyang tayo na nakapikit.
Kaso, hindi namin nagawa kasi
Yaban.
hindi. Umuulan, wala.
Yaban.
we were lazy to say. Do not bite me, you doggy. Actually, this is not my brother. This is my pet. My pet doggy is so cute and big. Galibo ko. Nalilito ako kung doggy ba to or baboy.
Wow! Pinag-iya ako sa'yo.
Ang ingay. Wala naman akong trabaho ngayon. Saya lang. See, diba, bisag kuan gaganot ko.
Di ba nagtukwan?
Sa ulan. Buisit ka. Ayan. So, dito na mag-i-end ang aking vlog kasi 9 minutes na. Teng, teng, tadang. Gumanon ka. Teng,
Ting,
teng,
ting, ting,
teng.
ting, 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 ting.
Labag ka, dili, ana. Di, di, di. Doraemon. Doraemon. Ako ba naman?
Ano?
Hindi niya alam, hindi niya inabutan yung Doraemon kasi yung inabutan niya is Multis 5.
Wow! Hindi mo magunda.
Yung mga Remy. Yan yung inabutan na si Sarah, Sandy, ano ba yun yung Heidi. Ewan ko na kung alam niyo yun. Ano pa yung naabutan mo na kuandong?
Si Kuan.
Yung Voltes 5, Silver Marionette.
Kamuta na ugod.
Si
Blair.
Blue Blink.
Si Blue Break na ito.
Si Blue Blink. Ako si Blink. Sa bawat
Ayaw gawin si
oras.
Alisa.
Inom niya. Sa bawat oras na riyan. Tutulong sa nangangailangan. Kapoy. Tung, si Remy, mahal kong ina. Pagmamahal mo, aking ina. Yakap mo sa akin. Hinahanap ko. Ng pag-ibig. Yakap mo, bunso. Sa gitna ng pagkakaibig. Yakap mo ang gigising. Wala, magbutang ta akong kwansa. Na bang, ina na ba, singing intro. Tatsyada na ang view. Takuha ka matadong. Isulat na yung mga matadong ka, pinakasulot na yun mo. Ako po. Si Ashley kay grabe mabot pa din. Skillet. Okay, so that's for tonight.
Yes, Ma'am Sir.
Yes, Samsa.
Welcome, Ma'am Sir.
Gusto ko talagang patayin itong kapatid ko.
Sige na, stop na.
Abnormal. Ay, okay mo ko, nakukuko.